Jennifer Elizabeth with Perry Peak Liz Vlogs. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Today is going to be a really fun video. Sherelle, Crafty Girl Down South, is hosting a St. Patrick's Day collaboration, and I'm doing this video as part of her collaboration. So it's going to be a St. Patrick's Day theme. What I'm going to be doing is decorating for St. Patrick's Day. I already have my background decorated, and I'm going to DIY and put together a couple of little decorations to put out for St. Patrick's Day. 90% of the items I'm using are going to be from Dollar Tree, with the exception of a couple of items that I got from my Michael's grab bag, the fall ones. So people always ask, what do you do with all your Dollar Tree products and all of your items you're getting in your grab bags? Well, today I'm going to be using them. So this item right here, I got in my Michael's grab bag. And I'm also going to be using these two items, or at least trying to use these two items, on this cute little mini vase. So everything else is from Dollar Tree, with the exception of these stickers that I actually found, believe it or not, at a grocery store Stop and Shop. So I'll show you a couple of the items, and then I'm going to start crafting. And to get into the spirit, of course, we have to put on a headband. So, okay, so now I'm prepared to DIY and craft. Got this at Dollar Tree. I'm going to be using some of these foam pieces, some different flower picks that I got. I'm going to use this gorgeous ribbon. And also I'm going to be using another item that I did not get at Dollar Tree. This is my tier tray. I absolutely love it. I have a couple of them, but this one I got at Target for $5. So without further ado, let's get crafting. So the main centerpiece, I think, is going to be this pot. It actually was a Halloween prop, but I'm going to turn it into a leprechaun pot of gold. And I also have these super cute baby pots that I got. I would like to use them and somehow incorporate them into my tier tray. I also found this little guy right here. Super cute. I'm going to try to use him. And like I said, use this, and I really want to use the rainbow, and I figure why not a unicorn as well. So I'll show you a couple of things as I go, and then I will show you the finished product. So I think the first thing that I want to do is bling this up. I got this for that, and I don't know if I will use these. Might use a couple of these stickers. And then I also have these. So I'm going to start DIYing this. And so I'm going to start DIYing this and decorating it for St. Patrick's Day. It will no longer be a Halloween prop. Okay, I'm going to be using my glue gun. I had to set that up, so I had to pause the video. And also I want to say before I get further into decorating that there is a playlist that Sherelle set up with all the videos of everybody who is part of this collaboration. So definitely watch all the videos. Everybody has different styles and different decorating ideas, and I cannot wait to see all of them. So definitely be sure to watch all of the videos in this collaboration, and you can do that by following the link to the playlist down below. So added that. I think it looks super cute. Now I'm going to add some of this because I love bling, and then I'm going to finish decorating the pot, and I'll show you when it's all set. So I successfully glued the gold gems as well, and I only managed to burn myself twice. Gonna see what I can do with these. Okay, I think it looks so cute. I want my leprechaun to be able to find this pot of gold. So now I'm gonna decorate it. I'm going to use some of this tissue paper and also some of this table scatter, and I have some gold coins. Might use some of my other picks and things like that to get this one ready, and then I'll decorate these baby ones, and I will check back with you in a few minutes. Okay, so I'm almost done. Just get a little sneak peek of it, but I'm going to cover it. So my next obstacle is this guy. I think I'm going to DIY this sign and kind of attach him and set it up so that he can get to the pot of gold, and then I will show you everything. Okay, so I have everything set up, and I think it came out super cute. I was able to use the rainbow, some of my picks. I incorporated some gnomes that I had, also my leprechaun, the glitter, everything's all blinged out, and the little baby pots. let me get you a little closer to this so you can see everything, and then I'll meet you back at the outro. And then I used the beautiful rainbow wood cut, and then I also used my picks. I separated them and added them into the cute little vase like this, so that way there is the rainbow. And always they say with a rainbow, you'll find a pot of gold at the end. So here is my pot of gold. That is the top of my tier tray. Okay, so there is the pot of gold. You can see that I added the gems. I added my little garden gnomes to it. So I glued those 2 rows of ribbon, and then inside my pot of gold, I added all the gold and the picks. I put on the shamrock foam pieces. On the bottom right here, I decorated each of the little baby pots to look like they have little miniature pots of gold. There's the unicorn. I was able to get the unicorn in there as well, and you can see the frog, and then you can see the frog and a gnome. So when you back up, that is what it looks like. I put on my twinkling LED rose lights, and I also used my foam roses right there that I had in my Valentine's Day tier trays. And of course, there is my leprechaun. I basically just attached him to the gnome sign, and then I put him in one of my little plants right there. Okay, so right there, that is the full scene of everything. I think it came out so cute. You can see that I also put a scatter all over the table. There is my ceramic frog. I have another ceramic frog right there. One right there, and here is the unicorn peeking out. I think I did pretty good. I think it came out super cute. I hope that you like it. Now I'm gonna switch back to regular camera style. Okay, now we're set back up on the tripod. So I think it came out super cute. I hope that you like it. Let me know what you think down below, and thank you so much, Sherelle, for putting together this collaboration. I had so much fun. It was just the perfect excuse to decorate and bling all out for St. Patrick's Day. I think it was so fun. I really appreciate it. And everyone, definitely check the playlist down below. Show all the other channels some love. Go ahead and like and comment on their videos. And thank you so much, Sherelle, Crafty Girl Down South, for putting this all together, for coming up with the idea, the playlist, and all of that. I really appreciate it. Everyone, if you haven't gone to her channel already, definitely go check it out. She has amazing videos and amazing talent with decorating and all kinds of things like that. So definitely go show her channel some love. Thank you so much, Sherelle, for this opportunity. And thank you so much, everyone, for watching. Please don't forget to comment down below, like the video, hit the subscribe button and the post notification bell so you know next time I upload. And every time I upload, I am almost there, almost at 300 subscribers. If you haven't subscribed already, subscribe. I have an amazing giveaway at 300 subscribers. I cannot wait to show you everything that is going to be included in that giveaway. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye. Happy St. Patrick's Day.